This presentation is for Module 1, my personal introduction for school law. My name is Hans Kruger. I reside in LeClaire, Iowa. I am married, and I have a 2-year-old son named Landon. We also have twins on the way, due in December, so a little anxious about that, I'm not going to lie, but very excited. I also coach soccer at Augustana College. This is my 4th year of teaching physical education and health at Davenport Central High School in Davenport, Iowa. Also the strength and conditioning coach. This will be my 7th year doing that. I have my master's in kinesiology. Then I went back and got a master's in education with teacher licensure. So endorsed in physical education and health in the state of Iowa. How does our current administration show their knowledge and understanding of educational law? I work a lot with the athletic department in my current role. So a lot of training goes on with athletic eligibility, working with coaches, students, and parents on the understanding of eligibility with grades and in-class attendance, and also residency issues. There's a lot of that in our district because we have open enrollment and a lot of students transferring in and out of different schools. So there are some eligibility issues that go along with that. Also, we work a lot with our athletic department on athlete contact. What are the policies and procedures with athlete contact throughout the year, and also working with administration to have a better understanding of appropriate relationships with athletes and college staff to make sure they're not in violation of any scholarship issues. So also working with school administration. This time of year is a very busy time of year for administration, working with teachers and staff and having a better understanding of educational law and how it affects our day-to-day operations. Right now we are getting ready for training for our students that's led by our administration on bullying, harassment, and equity, and that's a lot of that is teacher development from administration, and then the teachers pass that on to the students. In physical education department, working with our department head and working with administrators on proper credit achievement, and also there are state laws with physical education excusal and having a better understanding of that. Also, our administration has a lot to do with security and personal rights, the ability to search and seize, cell phone issues. So our administration has done a lot in trying to train our staff in those things, and also discipline, staying within the scope with IEPs and just other board policies is important. My personal understanding of state and federal school law is very limited. It's just what I have learned through college courses and through my exposure as a teacher with our administrative staff and with training as well. School board policies, I try to stay abreast of what's going on with our school board policies. They're pretty good too as well if you can't make the meetings, with passing that information on to the staff within the school district. My personal improvement plan, one, is pay attention in this class, but also learning from the mentor administrators that I do some things with. Also paying attention to the policies that we have in place. Where do they come from? How are they affected by state law, national law, and also what kind of influence the board plays, the school board plays on some of those policies is important. Reflecting back on that gives you a better understanding of educational law. Staying abreast of current legal issues within education I think is important. How is it going to impact the policies that we currently have in place? and how are our policies going to evolve with the ever-changing educational law. In the future, be diligent as an administrator to drive the decisions that I would make by national, state, and local laws. I think is important, but also just making sure that you're paying attention to the current trends in educational law will help you grow as an educational leader. Thank you.